FSTA, the premier information database for the sciences of food and health, for efficient, effective searching and results you can trust. If you want to really quickly locate some information on a food science topic, Basic Search in Ovid can help you find what you need. Using Basic Search is a lot like using Google. The important difference, though, is that when you search FSTA, you know that you can trust your results. They'll all be coming from the FSTA database put together by its editorial team of food scientists. So in that respect, it couldn't be more different from searching Google. All you need to do is type in your phrase or question in the search box, and Ovid will find the keywords in your search. You can see that another way it's like Google is that you usually get far more results than you can actually look through. So remember, this is not a systematic way to search, but it is a good way to get high-quality, relevant information quickly. Give it a try.